on, everybody? We are back in the JRD Motorsports shop. It's been a while since we've done a shop vlog, mostly because we've been fixing stuff most weeks this season. But this week, we are actually focusing on getting some speed back in the car. It's nice when you're not repairing stuff and you can actually focus on making the car fast. With that said, I think we know what our problem might be in the car. So we're gonna get the shocks off the car and take them over and get them dynoed and see if that answers our question and our suspicion as to what's going on with the JRD Motorsports number 28 Super Stock. So stay tuned, stick around. We're going to have some fun today. We got some new body panels to put on. Last week we kind of thrashed and just put everything back on the car that we had. So this week we're going to make it pretty again. Make sure it's looking good for autograph night. You almost got them off?
They're off.
They're off?
Oh yeah.
All right. What do you say we go see what's going on?
Sounds good. Let's go.
As our suspicions were, I didn't realize they were going to be that bad. But our right front shock was like, it almost wrecked the dyno machine. And the left front, not good. So we have two brand new shocks ready to go in the race car. So that's good. I think that's our answer. I really think that's what's going on. Because, you know, I've been saying that the car feels like there's something wrong in the middle of the corner, but I can't. You know, I've been racing long enough. I'd like to think that I can say, you know, it's tight middle causing it loose off, or, you know, got too much wheel in it, so it's causing it loose off, or it's loose center. Like, I would like to think I could diagnose a car, and I just have not been able to do that this season. So this week, I've had time to work on getting some speed back in the car and get the setup. So anyways, questions hopefully have been answered. I'm fairly confident that's going to be our issue, and we've changed a few other little things. So anyways, we're back now. We're going to get some shocks on the car, get some vinyl off the car. We're going to make it look pretty. And yeah, I'm confident that this will be the right direction. You getting there, bud? Yeah, I would say so.
Oh yeah.
We got a new fender for the car. Here, fender. Not destroyed. So, okay, Frank, show the people. Show them the top of this fender. We had a slight issue with our travels and stuff on Friday night. They told me to drive it in deeper, and you happy I drove it in deeper?
So you're saying it's smiling at least?
I'm saying it's everyone's fault. You told me to drive it in deeper, now we gotta replace body panels.
At least it's smiling.
Yeah, sure. So, we gotta put a new fender on the car. Alright, we just got the new fender on the car, and man, look at that. That's pretty good. Once we get those rivets in there to hold that all flush, which looks good, Frank.
It does look good for once.
Now we gotta vinyl it again. Gotta get this fender on there, and then we're pretty close to being able to go practice Monday night. That's the goal. Practice day. We don't like to come to practice day, but we've sucked so far this year. But it's to no fault of our own. Also, Tim Horton should sponsor us. It's to no fault of our own. We just found out that we had some real bad front shocks on the car, and come out here, and that's the first time this year the car has actually wanted to turn, which if an oval track car doesn't want to turn on its own, something's gone really wrong. So I'm happy. We're gonna actually go out and try and drive it now. All our wear indicators and everything are great. So that car was upside down 3 weeks ago. Good on them for getting it back out. We got some new body panels on the car. We're gonna fix the vinyl this week. It's autograph night this Friday night. We're gonna go out. We're gonna win our heat race. We're gonna win the feature. I hope. Just don't put too much on. better that time, but now you're telling me I'm slower, so I don't know, man. I just don't know.